Hello everyone. In this module of Python Pandas, you will see how to create data frame using ND arrays, dictionary of series, and using another data frame. For this, let's move to our Python script mode. Let's start with 2D ND arrays. For this, import pandas as PD and import numpy as np. Here is my variable which will store ND array values using np.array, and it will contain my multidimensional array. The values are 11, 12 and 13, and values for second array 14, 15 and 16. df is the variable name, and using pd.dataframe and just pass the variable narr, which will store the values of two-dimensional array, and print your data frame. So you will see your index position. At row level it is 0, 1, and at column level it is 0, 1 and 2. If you want to change your label index or labeling your name at index, for this you have to use index attribute a and b. It will be displayed at row index. Save it and run the file. So you can see here is your index at row level a and b. You can also change your column index. For this you have to use column attribute, and the columns are, here I am using 1, 2 and 3, and for third value it is 3. So it will change my index at column level. So this is the format to convert a 2D array into a data frame. Now let's see how we can create data frame using dictionary of series. So here is my command, dictionary of series. The first statement is import pandas as pd, and this is my variable pop, which will store some value like population, and here I am using series. For this I am writing pd.series, where s is capital, and the list values are 35, 34, 64, 39 and 78. And the second series variable population index, like this, 350, 340, 640, 390 and 309. So these are my two series object. Now I am creating a dictionary. This is my key and value as series in first variable from pop, and key value 1 for second variable as series, that is population index. Now we have to convert this dictionary into data frame. For this we have to use pd.dataframe and pass your argument dict, and on printing this dictionary or data frame you will see the values like this. And if you want to change your key values, 0 will be replaced with population and 1 will be replaced with population index. So you can check your column labels are now changed. So this is the format to convert a series using dictionary into data frame. And the last format is to create a database using another data frame. Let's see how we can use it. Use the statement import numpy as np. This is my variable narr equals to np.array. It will contain the values 11, 12 and 13 and the values 14, 15 and 16 as we have created in our previous example. So here is my data frame, pd.dataframe narr. My array values will be displayed at index A and B, and the columns will be displayed as 1, 2 and 3. So this is my data frame. Let's create another data frame using df. So the variable name is df2 and pd.dataframe just pass the df as you are creating now. So it will create a df2 means data frame 2 using .df that is already exist. Using /n you can display it in next line. Save it and run the program. So here is your data frame df and df2. So these are some formats to create a data frame. So try these programs and thank you for watching this video.